Good afternoon, dear friends. Today we will trade a strategy called parabolic bands. We have traded this strategy before, but we have traded it on regular pairs. Today I want to check how effective this strategy works on OTC pairs. First you need two of our indicators to the chart. This is the Bollinger Bands indicator and the parabolic SAR indicator. I have already added two of these indicators and configured them. After that, you need to set the transaction time for 2 minutes, and you set the transaction amount from 1 to 10% of your deposit. This is necessary to comply with the risk management. If you set the transaction amount to more than 10%, then you risk losing your entire deposit without earning anything. So, trader will try to trade the strategy as efficiently as possible. Look for the best possible setups to enter a position and also avoid questionable transaction. Well, let's check how effectively the strategy works. I'm starting a trading session and looking for a suitable opportunity to open trade. Go! So, here is a great opportunity to open a position. We have been in a downtrend for too long, which was shown to us by the parabolic SAR indicator, and also the price constantly bounced off the lower limit of the Bollinger Bands indicator. But in this example, we see that the parabolic SR points indicated that an uptrend has begun. We also straight from the lower border of the Bollinger Bands indicator. It is for this reason that I have opened a promotion deal here. Now we are waiting for its completion. Wonderful. Our first deal turned out to be profitable. Everything as I expected. The uptrend continued after the parabolic SAR indicator showed as the beginning of an uptrend. Well, let's look further. So, here I will open a position for an increase, because we have broken through the parabolic SAR indicator and now the indicator points will refuse from below, which will mean the beginning of the uptrend. We are also strongly and well straight from the lower border of the Bollinger Bands indicator. This is also a very good buy signal. Now we are waiting for the end of this transaction. Great. Our second deal also went into the plus. Again, excellent reaction and timely opening of a position. A very successful start to the trading session. We look further. So, here I saw a great opportunity to open a position for a fall. Why? Because we are about to start a downtrend of the parabolic SAR indicator. I can already see this in advance thanks to my trading experience. Now the price will break free these points, and the points of the parabolic SAR indicator will be on top, which will indicate the beginning of a downtrend. We also see a reaction from the upper border of the Bollinger Bands indicator, which also tells us that this is a great opportunity to open a position for a flop. Now we are waiting for the end of this transaction. Right, I thought that also went into the plus. As I said, we opened the deal in a very timely manner just at the intersection of the price points of the parabolic SAR indicator, which allowed us to make a profit. We look further. So here I saw a great opportunity to open a position. As you can see, both of our indicators indicated that it was necessary to open a position for an increase here, which I did. Now we are waiting for the end of this transaction. Unfortunately, our first deal turned out to be negative. Well, according to the Martingale system, I will double the amount of the fifth transaction in order to recoup this negative transaction, as well as earn more. Therefore, we look further. So, I immediately found a great opportunity to open a position for a 4 and opened this very position here. Why? Because both of our indicators indicate that there is a great opportunity to open the position. Now we are waiting for its completion. Very good. Our first deal also turned out to be positive, and thanks to Martingale's system, we bought the first negative deal and also earned $84 on top. Well, I will return the transaction amount to $100. And if the sixth deal turns out to be positive, then I will end today's trading session with this. We look further. So, here I saw a great opportunity to open a position for promotion. We see a good reaction from the lower border of the Bollinger Bands indicator, and we have also crossed the parabolic SAR points, which may indicate at the beginning of an uptrend. We are waiting for the completion of this transaction. Great, and a sixth deal also turned out to be positive. With this, I will finish today's trading session and summarize the results for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deals turned out to be profitable and one negative, but we immediately recouped it with the next deal with the price of doubling the deal according to the Martingale system. As you can see, the Martingale system works just fine with strategies that I have already tested earlier, and I know that they have a high win rate. Today we have seen this trading strategy can also be trading on OTC pairs. That is, the weekend. If you have free time, calmly sit down at your computer, set the same indicator settings as I have, set the risk for a transaction no more than 10%. So as not to lose your entire deposit, the transaction time is 2 minutes and you trade yourself. Company. I am sure that win rate for a trading session if you follow all the parameters, and my advice will reach 70 80% and in some cases 90%. Trade, interest or deposit, and don't risk too much. Thank you all for watching and see you soon.